Hey everyone, and welcome back to AI Podcast. Brian here, and with me today is the incredible Kathy, and we're about to take a deep dive into the future of AI.
Sounds exciting. Always a pleasure to be here.
So Kathy, you know Y-Combinator, right? I mean, they've helped launch some of the biggest names in tech.
Absolutely. Airbnb, Stripe, Anthropic,
Yeah,
even Razorpay got their start with YC.
exactly. They've got an incredible track record. And just recently, at the start of their Spring 25 cohort, they released this list of 15 areas that they believe are ripe for AI startups.
Oh, this is going to be good. So they're basically pointing the way for the next wave of AI innovation.
Precisely. And we're going to unpack all 15 areas. So are you ready to dive in?
Let's do it.
All right, let's kick things off with area number one, a secure AI app store. Imagine an app store, but it's exclusively for AI tools. What are your initial thoughts on this, Kathy?
Well, I immediately think about all the concerns surrounding AI right now. Data privacy, ethical use, all of that. A curated app store could be a game changer.
It's like having a trusted source for AI, right? You know that any app in this store has been vetted, so you don't have to worry about shady AI sneaking onto your devices.
Yeah, it would definitely build a lot more trust and confidence in the AI we use.
Okay, moving on to area number two, compliance and audit automation. I know paperwork isn't
Well,
exactly
but for
glamorous.
us, is essential for businesses, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So imagine if AI could handle things like real-time monitoring of transactions for fraud or flagging potential issues in legal contracts.
Now, that would be a game changer for businesses. It would free up so much time and resources and potentially reduce errors, too.
Right. AI doesn't get tired or make those little mistakes that humans sometimes do. Okay, on to something a bit more relatable. Area number three, DocuSign 2.0.
Oh, tell me more. I think we all have a love-hate relationship with e-signatures.
Right. So picture this, an AI that reads those complex contracts and flags all the important stuff for you. No more getting lost in the fine print.
That would be amazing. It would make the whole process so much easier and less intimidating for everyone.
Now, area number four is browser and computer automation. Think of it as AI taking care of all those repetitive tasks we all hate doing on our computers.
Like filling out online forms or scheduling meetings or maybe even sorting through our emails.
Exactly. Or how about an AI that automates your online shopping, finds the best deals, compares prices, all of that.
Now, that's an AI I could get behind. Talk about reclaiming your time.
Okay, let's talk about area number five, AI personal staff for everyone. What if everyone, not just the wealthy, could have access to an AI assistant?
I think that would be incredible. Imagine an AI that manages your schedule, filters your emails, and even does research for you.
It would be like having a super efficient secretary in your pocket.
And think about the potential impact on accessibility. People who might not have been able to afford a human assistant could have AI support to help them manage their lives.
Now let's get a bit more technical with area number six, dev tools for AI agents. Building AI is complex, so YC sees a need for better tools for developers.
These tools could make building and managing AI agents much more efficient, and that would lead to faster development cycles and more robust AI systems.
Imagine an AI debugging tool that can pinpoint errors in code much faster than a human can.
Right, or tools that can seamlessly integrate different AI modules, making it easier to build complex AI systems.
And speaking of the future,
I'm right.
area number seven focuses on the future of software engineering.
So how is AI going to change the way we write and develop software?
Think about AI-powered coding assistants that can help write and debug code, maybe even refactor legacy code bases to make them more efficient.
That would save developers so much time and effort, allowing them to focus on the more creative aspects of their work.
Okay, let's talk about open source. Area number eight highlights AI commercial open source software, or AI SHIS for short.
I'm all for open source, but it often lacks the commercial polish and support. So YC wants to see high-quality AI software that's both open source and commercially viable.
Imagine an open source competitor to Siri or Alexa. It'd be amazing, right?
Absolutely. It would democratize access to cutting-edge AI technology and foster a more collaborative and innovative development environment.
And potentially lead to solutions that are tailored to a wider range of needs and preferences.
Absolutely. It's all about making AI more accessible and beneficial for everyone.
All right, moving on to area number nine, AI coding agents for hardware-optimized code. This is about ensuring AI runs smoothly on all kinds of devices, not just the latest and greatest.
Because right now, AI can be quite resource intensive.
Exactly. Imagine an AI that could write code specifically tailored to your phone's hardware so that you could run complex AI apps without draining your battery in an hour.
That would be fantastic. It would open up a whole new world of possibilities for mobile AI applications.
Now brace yourself for this one. Area number 10 is B2A, software where the customers are AI agents. Think about it. What if AI was the customer?
Whoa, that's a mind-blowing concept. So AI interacting with AI, creating their own markets and economies.
Exactly. Imagine AI agents buying and selling goods and services, managing resources, and even negotiating contracts with each other.
It's like a parallel world where AI is calling the shots. That raises a whole bunch of interesting questions about the future of commerce and even society.
Okay, let's bring things back down to earth a bit with area number 11. Vertical AI agents. This is about AI that's a specialist in a particular industry.
Ah, so instead of a general purpose AI assistant, you'd have an AI lawyer, an AI doctor, an AI financial advisor.
Exactly. It's about using AI to solve specific problems and provide tailored solutions in various fields.
Right. It's like having access to a team of specialized experts, all powered by AI, that could really boost efficiency and decision making across industries.
Now, for area number 12, we're getting into the infrastructure behind AI. It's called inference AI infrastructure in the world of test-time compute.
Okay, this sounds a bit technical. What's that all about?
It's about building the brains for a world powered by AI. We're talking about efficient hardware and software that can handle those complex AI calculations in real time.
Think about self-driving cars that need to process huge amounts of data instantly to make decisions, or AI-powered video analytics that need to analyze massive video streams.
Exactly. It's about creating the foundation for a future where AI is everywhere, all the time. All right, just a few more areas to go. Area number 13 is applying machine learning to robotics. Robots are already getting smarter thanks to AI, but YC sees even greater potential here.
So robots that can truly learn from humans, adapt to new environments, and work alongside us more effectively.
Exactly. Imagine robots that can work side by side with humans in factories, warehouses, or even hospitals.
We could see robots assisting surgeons with complex procedures or helping workers with dangerous tasks in hazardous environments.
And for our final area today, we have using machine learning to simulate the physical world.
So using AI to create virtual models of real-world systems, that's interesting.
Exactly. Think about simulating the effects of climate change, designing new drugs, or testing engineering designs before they're built.
We could use AI to understand complex systems, predict future outcomes, and make more informed decisions.
It's like having a virtual lab to test out ideas and see how they might play out in the real world. Phew. That was quite a journey through 15 areas that YC thinks will shape the future of AI. What are your initial thoughts, Kathy?
I'm blown away by the sheer breadth of possibilities. It's clear that AI is going to touch nearly every aspect of our lives in the coming years.
I know, right? And this is just the beginning. So, Kathy, this has been an incredible deep dive into the future of AI.
It really has, Brian. I'm excited to see how these 15 areas unfold in the coming years.
Me too. And I'm sure we'll be revisiting these topics on future episodes as the AI landscape continues to evolve. But for now, it's time to wrap things up. Thanks for joining me on this journey, Kathy.
It's been a pleasure, Brian. Always a blast talking AI with you.
And thanks to all of our listeners for tuning in. We'll be back tomorrow evening with another exciting episode of AI Podcast. Until then, keep those AI algorithms humming.
And keep those brains engaged. See you next time.